Ale osingo mar ketho oboke mag lowo ma ok oyudi e yo makare kama oting'o jotije mag piny owacho nyaka moko kuom jood bura. Kolos e kinde mane ipuodhe kod jood bura owacho ni ma en achiel kuom yore mag rito bungu ma ololua ma wachore ni idwa yaki.
You know, we have very many petitions in Parliament on the gazetted forests and forests that are grabbed. I would want to hear how you intend to work with Parliament, especially in dealing with all those issues, land issues around the gazettement, encroachment of forests, and outright land grabbing of forested areas. Case in point, I'm aware, I know, and I don't know if you may be aware, of the Ololua forest matter just outside Nairobi, and what you would intend to do to reclaim all this grabbed forest land.
If this House approves me, in the first 30 days, working with the Minister for Lands and other government agencies, a number of titles, including and belonging to big people in government, some of them members of Parliament, will be revoked. I will revoke those, and I am ready to bear the consequences, particularly for the one on Ololua. I have been briefed, I have listened to experts, and I have seen it's deliberate. In the last 2 years, there are people who got illegal title deeds, and I think it will be the first place I will visit, and also with the Committee on Environment, and I hope the chair is a member of this committee, my chair. We will visit, and please, Mr. Speaker, some of your members might